Few best practices you can follow to try and ensure your quality stays up and give you the best chance of not being rated low. One, make sure you follow the WhatsApp business policy. That has been designed to communicate to you what they consider suitable use of the platform. So as long as you're following that, you shouldn't have too many problems. That includes only sending to users who've opted in. So again, that's sending off surprising users with communications on a platform they haven't asked for could be a way of being blocked and being scored more lowly. And then I think a bit about the content. So make sure the messages are highly personalized, make sure they're useful, make sure you don't send too many and the messages aren't too long. Just as with any other channel, all of those things could lead to more unsubscribes, more of those more negative signals for Meta. So I think really the message is to be mindful of the additional power the user has within this channel because of those features within the app. And therefore, it might just need to think a little bit more about the content that's going out. Again, so far with our customers, we've not particularly had a problem with this, but it is just something to be aware of. To keep an eye on quality, you've got scores shown to you within the Meta portal. So you get a summary for each phone number that will show you the current quality rating and also your current messaging limit. And then you can also see quality per template. So you can see if there's one particular template that's causing problems. Summary around scaling then is understand it's an initial limitation, but it should live quite quickly with sensible use. Use our fallbacks within the Messente API to default back to SMS when you hit your limits. So that way you're not having to, you can send up to your limits and then just fall back to SMS without a great deal of problem. So do use that feature, follow the tips outlined, and in particular, monitor and think about quality.